Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. Today we are going to learn how to add our Google account with our Google Chrome. So in order to add our Google account to our Google Chrome, first of all we have to download Google Chrome. When you will download Google Chrome, this is the interface you will see. Okay, so as you can see I have already signed in my first account with Google Chrome. I will now show you how to sign in uh, with another account, because if I delete it, sorry, let me show you again. If I try to delete it, all my browsing history or sign in methods will automatically delete, which is I don't want to prefer. So I will try to show you with my another account. So if I want to add another account, or if I want to add a account, I'll just click on add, go to sign in. Please note down, this is my secondary account. You can just follow the steps for your original account too. So I'll just write down my email, which is, see, if I after giving my email, I will click on next, and I will give my password. So when I first open this account, I have given a account recovery uh, connected to my this account, so I need to have a verification code. But when you are signing with your original account, you don't need any verification code. Okay, as this is my second account, I need a verification code. So I'm just going to write down the verification code, which is this one. I will just copy it and paste it here. I will just we have to wait for a few minutes. Click on continue. So uh, as you can see, I have already created my. We have already signed in with our account. So and here you can see my another account. So with the very simple steps, you can easily sign in with your Gmail account, Google account into your Google Chrome. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do comment on what kind of videos you like from us. And do share with your friends and family. See you in another video. Thank you.